Okay, welcome back. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday we talked about gold actually giving us a bullish move for today, right? We talked about it, and guess what? We've gotten that bullish move, which is actually not much. So we also talked about once this price can give us this bullish move at this highs, right? I think I talked about 1 8 something. I gave you guys a level, right? Price has actually gotten to that level, and I told you guys that sooner or later we will be having a drop, so we should watch out for it. Gold will be giving us a drop soon. We don't I think it will happen on Thursday when the news on USD will come out. I believe it will come out positive. So once that news come out positive, then there will be a bullish move or a bullish rally on this DXY or USD index. If there would be a bullish move on this USD index or DXY, then we expect this gold to actually drop. Since DXY will be going bullish, then definitely the gold should actually drop to it. So this is one of the reasons why the drop is coming soon. But we should watch out for it on Thursday, right? So basically, price is actually playing out small small. You can see on Monday there was not much movement that was made, just little movement on gold. Tuesday too, there is a little movement. I believe on Wednesday also a little movement will be made. A lot of traders are waiting for the CPI that will be released on Thursday. So that will be massive, right? So in order to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is Wednesday, we just have to go ahead and trade with what we see and not what we think. With what price is actually playing, we have to go ahead and aim a bullish move. So let's see if price will open and close bullish again for the next day. You can see it, we are still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So since this price is still trading above our moving average, then we should continue to expect more bull movements. So if you take a look at this forward time frame, I think price is actually cracking within this level. We like call it range or a cracking movement, anyhow you want to see it. Well, let's see this price actually push up more. So by the way, gold right for the next day, which is for the 11th of January, we expect it to actually give us a bullish move. So let's see if we can have about 50 to 100 pips or points. I don't even know how you call it. Let's say 50 to 100 pips on gold for the next day.